I give a Chef Ricardo salad bar channel. It's amazing to be in the kitchen giving you your favorite recipes, ideas and things. I'm gonna make you a nice lovely red onion and cucumber salad with some peppers, olive oil and some chili pepper, also to bring in a lovely flavor and spices towards it. First of all, I must say to you, I just cut up one medium-sized red onion into some slices, so it's ready. All right, I got one medium-sized cucumber, and all I'm going to do is this: cut into half, and I'm gonna simply do some slices. So if you're a person who love cucumber, this is what you need to do. All right, very easy and simple recipe. This is for the barbecue for summer. And I'm gonna cut it in half, and I'm gonna cut it in half again. So you know, you get more from the cucumber. So one person I get a big pieces, you know. Nice one. So I got some chili. I'm gonna put a little bit of chili. I got some pepper. And we got some olive oil. Lots of olive oil. Nice one. Then simple. I'm just gonna be using my gloves. And marinate it up like this. Scrape it out into a smaller container, and this is ready for the barbecue. Very simple recipe for the barbecue. This is exactly what I'm talking about right here, guys. So please enjoy the recipe and subscribe to my YouTube channel. My name is Chef Ricardo, represent Chef Ricardo Salad Bar channel. Red onion with cucumber, olive oil, chili pepper and black pepper. Sell off. Good to go. Simple, easy, ready for the summer barbecue, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time. And subscribe is very important to get the latest update from Chef Ricardo. Chef Ricardo cooking show and salad bar and juice bar channel. Anyway, this is the salad bar channel, and today I want to make you some leftover salad rice. First of all, I want to say to you, you need a gloves because of what we're going to do. All right, if I say to you, this is some rice I have left over, and all I'm going to do is to make a rice salad. All right, and I'm going to show you. So you have some rice left in your, I don't know where you have it, you know, in your fridge or pan. You cook too much rice today and a little bit left in the pot. Don't throw it in the bin. Do something with it. So first of all, we're going to have a little bit of dry chili inside of the rice. All right, the chili is going to bring in a lovely flavor to the rice. Second thing, crack some pepper for color. All right. Second thing, let's get a piece of a red pepper. And red pepper are definitely going to give it a lovely color. And you can make yourself some rice and bring it to work and share it to co-workers. Alright guys? Then I'm going to give you some very important secret what you can do also. Cut up some spring onion. Very spring onion finely. and just get a nice lovely piece of a red onion. That's a slice, not too much, because you don't want to overpower it with the red onion. Alright, and once you cut it up finely, put straight in it, and that's gonna give me a lovely color. We're gonna put a little bit of sweet chili sauce on it. Alright, just a tiny little bit of sweet chili sauce. You don't need too much. Little bit of lemon juice, not too much neither. We're gonna put a little bit of the olive oil or vegetable oil, whatever oil you like to use. That's a tiny little bit. You don't want to put too much because you don't want to overpower it. So what you're gonna do now is to be honest, you can add a lot more stuff to it, but I'm just adding a few little things to it to say you can make yourself a nice, lovely, simple salad rice. Alright, just use your hand and massage the rice. So basically, you can bring this to work, and you know, you can buy yourself a piece of a chicken or something somewhere and just put this in it. You know what I mean? Have some rice salad. So you're gonna give it a lovely color. It's gonna come out lovely and nice. Alright guys, and it's so easy. You know what I mean? Sometimes you have things at home and we take it and chuck it in the bin. We don't need to do that. So this is just a sweet chili rice salad. Alright guys, look at that. So easy, lovely and nice. So please enjoy the recipe and subscribe my YouTube channel. And this is the way it's looking, so lovely and nice. So as you can see, you don't need to waste things at home. Use it and do stuff at home. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo's Salad Bar channel. We got a lot more recipes, a lot more ideas, and a lot more things will be coming. And definitely 100% our YouTube channel will be getting better and better as we go day by day. We love you all. This is Chef Ricardo. Don't forget Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and on Google+. Chef Ricardo all the way on the social network. We love you. See you next time.